You can squat 200 pounds, you can run a 5K, you can do pull ups, but there's one uncomfortable truth most people never hear until it's too late. The strongest people in the gym are often the ones whose bodies break first outside of it. And if your back hurts, your hips feel tight, or something keeps getting tweaked every few months, that's not random, and it's definitely not just aging. That's a movement gap silently building inside your body while you keep training harder, thinking you're getting healthier. Because modern gym training is built around a very narrow range of movement, like push, pull, hinge, and squat. And while those movements build strength, they don't represent the full capability your body was designed for over hundreds of thousands of years, most of which we stopped using somewhere around childhood when we got off the floor and started living in chairs. And the result is joints that only move in one direction, muscles that fire separately instead of together, and a body that becomes strong inside the gym but fragile everywhere else. So there are 5 essential movements missing from most people's routines, and bringing them back can completely change how your body feels and moves starting almost immediately. The first is the deep squat, not a gym squat or a box squat, but a full-depth, heels-down, upright spine resting squat, which used to be a natural human resting position and still is in many parts of the world today. And restoring this position improves hip and ankle mobility, decompresses your lower back, and supports pelvic function in a way most exercises never touch. So start by sitting into your deepest squat and simply stay there for a few minutes each day and notice what your body tells you. The second movement is the passive hang from a bar with your arms overhead and feet off the ground, which allows your shoulders and spine to decompress naturally because your shoulder joints were built for overhead movement. But most of us stopped doing that years ago, which slowly leads to shoulder impingement, rotator cuff irritation, and that constant tight feeling across the upper back that people start accepting as normal even though it isn't. And just accumulating about 60 seconds of hanging each day can begin reversing that process. The third movement is the bear crawl, where you move on your hands and feet with opposite arm and leg working together, which reconnects the coordination between the left and right sides of your body, while quietly rebuilding shoulder stability, hip stability, and deep core control at the same time. And yes, it may feel awkward at first, but that awkward feeling is your nervous system waking back up. The fourth movement is rolling on the floor, forward, backward, and sideways, which teaches your nervous system how to absorb and redirect force safely while restoring natural movement through your spine. Because most adults try to roll like a stiff plank, and that stiffness tells you exactly what your body has been missing for years. So practice slow, controlled rolling and focus on letting each segment of your spine move naturally again. And the fifth movement is getting up from the floor without using your hands. Because if you cannot sit down cross-legged and stand back up without support, it is not just a strength issue, but a coordination, mobility, and control problem that no traditional gym routine alone can fix, no matter how heavy you lift. And when you begin practicing these 5 movements consistently, something interesting happens. You start noticing hidden weaknesses you didn't realize were there. Your upper back tension begins to ease, your hips start feeling more balanced, your coordination improves, and you slowly regain confidence moving on the ground like your body remembers something it almost forgot. So try all 5 movements today. Hold a deep squat, hang from a bar, crawl forward, practice rolling, and stand up from the floor without using your hands. Then record yourself and notice which movement challenged you the most, because your weakest movement pattern is usually where future injuries begin. And remember, your gym routine builds performance, but these 5 movements rebuild the foundation your performance depends on. And if that foundation is weak, no amount of strength on top of it will protect you for long.